Hello everyone, my name is Preetham Oswal and I hope you are all doing fine. Last week I had asked a question on what are the possible solutions to limit coronavirus situation other than lockdown. Almost 250 plus people saw my status and you will be surprised that only 5 people were able to answer it. That means almost 98% of the people felt that lockdown is the best solution or did not have any opinion. There were two reasons to ask this question. For everyone to start talking about possible solutions and stop complaining about our situation and problems. Two, with this brainstorming question and answer session, we may get an innovative answer which may help us eventually. Here are the following people who answered my question: Mr. Jayesh Oswal, Mrs. Priyanka Oswal, Mr. Anand Oswal, Mrs. Sonal Oswal, and Mr. Sunny Oswal. Well, if you all observe, all 5 have one thing in common, and that is their surname, Oswal. So, Oswal's Rock. On a serious note, I observed all these 5 answers and felt that all the people who answered had a very clear mindset and positive approach. They had strong opinion and a thought process. Everyone's answer had a different solution which can be implemented practically. Let me share their answers in short. Jayesh Oswal mentioned about early detection, positive approach, early vaccination, and proper doctor management and guide to the patient. Priyanka mentioned about hygiene is the only solution for any kind of infection. Mr. Anand mentioned about that we all know how virus is spreading, so hands, face and space is the only way to solve the problem. But people have two qualities because of which are not following, and that is carelessness and forgetfulness. We should remind people by some kind of incentive, and that could be on basis of cutting down electricity timings. If the infections increase, electricity timings will decrease and will be a reminder to people that coronavirus is spreading. And in a way, if people are reminded, then they will follow basic guidelines. Mr. Sunny Oswal mentioned about stop overseas travel because the second wave virus is a lot more dangerous, and we have planned for vaccine which was based on the first wave virus. And he also mentioned that everything should be based on number of infections, and if the infections increase, then everything should be restricted based on that. Mrs. Sonal Oswal mentioned about self-discipline, online shopping and avoid crowd. I also asked this question in my family and got a very interesting answer from my father. He mentioned that we should have a TV program where people can be guided from celebrities on how to treat patients or their relatives who are infected by virus at home itself. If people don't come to hospital, or people should only come to hospital when it is required, well, that can also help us. The conclusion is that there is a famous saying: you can either be part of a solution or problem, and the decision is yours. Like and share this video so that it reaches authorities and people, and everyone have a positive approach, as we all are in the same situation. Let us stay united. Let us follow basic guidelines. I also mentioned that I would give my Hakuna Matata book to the best answer, and I felt that all the 5 people who answered had in a way given their best answer. So all 5 are winners. Congratulations to all the 5 winners, and once again, stay safe, stay home and follow basic guidelines. Stay positive. Thank you.